Hey, this is Lake Boehm again with Hansen Auction Group in Princeton, Minnesota. Wanted to let you all know that bidding is open for our March Pike heavy construction sale. There will be over 1,000 items on this sale, and bidding will close Monday, March 18th. Ring 1, which is the heavy equipment, starts closing at 10 a.m. And then Ring 2, which will be skid steer attachments and smaller service items, will start closing at noon. There's a couple of items I would like to highlight today, and the first one's going to be a 2020 Peterbilt 579. Now, this truck is about as clean as they come. There is 294,000 original miles on this machine. Very, very nice. A Packer engine, 455 horsepower, and Eaton Fuller 10-speed manual transmission. The second truck I would like to talk about today is a 2015 Peterbilt tractor. This one has 303,000 miles, also with an Eaton Fuller 10-speed manual transmission. We have a 2020 Cat 289 D3 tracked skid steer with 3,836 hours. Has the keypad, has the backup camera, smooth as silk. You guys are Cat fans, you know what I'm talking about. We also have a 2012 Pace TR320 track skid steer with 3,711 hours. Again, this skid steer is fully loaded, hydraulic quick attach, and it's a very smooth running machine. We have a 2004 Volvo ED210 BLC excavator. This is a very, very tight machine, has the grapple thumb on the bucket, 6,490 hours, and really just a great size of excavator for most construction projects. And not only that, we have a full lineup of skid steers that were consigned, that were city-owned, mostly Bobcat brand, along with a Bobcat mini excavator that was city-owned. We also have a Kubota KX040-4 mini excavator with only 1,206 hours. It does have the hydraulic thumb, and it comes with an extra bucket. I was running it the other day. Very tight, very smooth, really a great machine. Open house dates are as follows: Thursday, March 14th, and Friday, March 15th, from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. And then we will be open Saturday, March 16th, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Please drop on by. We'd love to meet you and answer any questions you might have. Please visit us at HansenAuctionGroup.com. Select the Pike March Construction Sale, and there will be 2 catalogs, Ring 1 and Ring 2. Thanks for your business.